Jonathan, what you doing? Jonathan, look at Mama.
It's toilet paper time. Whee!
Jonathan, can you look at Mommy?
Now, let's flush the potty. Toilet paper on a roll next to me. I can use a few squares, maybe one or two squares. How about three? Hooray for me!
Jonathan, how do you go potty? Jonathan, can you show Mommy how you go potty? How do you go potty? There we go.